Xiaomi, of course, is doing really great in India, especially in the budget smartphone segment, and they're reporting great numbers year on year. And a couple of weeks back, they launched another phone, the Mi Mix 2. It's a new segment for Xiaomi in India, and the phone costs around 36,000 rupees. The phone, of course, looks fantastic, beautiful design, especially the ceramic bag, gives you a full edge-to-edge display. Packed in the latest Snapdragon 835 processor, 6GB RAM, a Sony sensor, and also 3400 mAh battery. So the mix of all things good has come in the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2. And how does it actually fare? It's time for the review now.
Back from the dead.
First impression is the last impression, and we loved the Mi Mix 2 when we unboxed it last week. Like we said earlier, the design of the Mi Mix 2 truly stands out from the rest. The full screen display with the 18:9 aspect ratio makes this 5.99-incher feel comfortable when you grip. The glass front, the ceramic back, and the 7000 series aluminum frame with rounded edges, well, all this gives the Mi Mix 2 the premiumness that demands attention. The ceramic back is no doubt strong and sturdy, however it shines and it gets smudgy. So get a cover. You get the golden camera ring and the LED flash at the back. Also there is the fingerprint scanner and the declaration, designed by Xiaomi. Alright, enough about the design. Let's talk about the display now. The 18:9 aspect ratio looks good, however an AMOLED panel would have made things so much cooler, or should I say brighter. But hey, we know there are cost constraints, so for now the HD panel would do. Next thing to talk about, of course, is the performance. Xiaomi has packed in the latest Snapdragon 835 processor in the Mix 2. There's also 6GB of RAM and a massive non-expandable 128GB of storage. No doubt the performance is top-notch and we face no issues whatsoever in opening apps, by playing games, browsing the web and everything else. Switching between apps is also very smooth. Now it's not as fast as the OnePlus 5, but it doesn't have to. Call quality is good and the phone supports 43 bands, which means take this phone anywhere in the world. The Mix 2 runs on Android Nougat with MIUI 8 on top. Mi fans will have no problems and the rest will of course get used to it. What people will not get used to is the front camera. Xiaomi has placed the front camera at the bottom, and every time you want to click a picture, you'll have to rotate the phone to get those selfies. The Mi Mix 2 has an improved camera compared to last time, but it's easily outperformed by any flagship today, mid-range or high-end. It has a 12MP camera with f2.0 aperture and 1.25 micron pixel size. It takes reasonable photos in daylight, although you can see fine noise when you enlarge them. Details are also low and they reduce in low light or indoor shots. Good thing is, the colors and the white balance are decent and the camera is quite fast to shoot with. The other plus of the Mi Mix 2 is the battery. The phone runs on a comparatively small 3400 mAh battery, but it drops almost no battery when idle and regular usage times are higher. The benchmark scores show 12 hours plus time, which should translate to almost a full day of battery life, which is awesome.
So the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2, a mix of everything good that is available in the smartphone industry right now. The design is beautiful and that's probably gonna be the reason why you'll buy this phone, because especially now when you have edge-to-edge smartphones that are coming in the market at this price point, this is the best looking phone that you can get. It's beautiful. It gives you the sense of premiumness, and yeah, I mean if you're spending all that much money, 36,000 rupees, you want something exquisite. You want something that really separates it from the rest, and this one just stands out. Performance wise, you'll have no issues whatsoever. Blazing fast performance, The battery life is also good. A day of battery life, you really can't ask for anything else, much more than this. The camera is the only weak spot over here. It's not as good as the cameras that are available in the segment, say from the OnePlus 5 and the Honor 8 Pro. The results that you get are much better. Daylight photography will have, it's going to be good, but it's just with the low light that you see that not really up to the mark. But still, if you look at the scheme of things, the mix of things, so to say, I think this one really stands out, and Xiaomi has really done a good job with the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2. Alright, time to slip into a short break, but there's lots more. So, come back. I'll see you after the break.